How to fix chat message limit reached TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix chat message limit reached on TikTok. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. First of all, just open your TikTok application. After that, you'll be able to see your home screen. So you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right. After that, you'll be able to see your profile here. So the next step is you just need to click at the menu bar at the top right. After that, you just need to click on the settings and privacy. After doing so, you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see this cache and cellular option, under where you'll be able to see this free up space option. Simply click on it, and here you will be able to see clear cache download drop. So what you're gonna do is simply click on clear cache if you have any cache available. After that, if there is any download available, just tap on clear and clear it. After doing so, what you're going to do is simply get back, and what you're going to do is here, after you're done so, and if that doesn't fix your issue, you just need to head over to the menu bar again and get to the settings and privacy. After that, just scroll down a bit until you are able to see this logout option. Just tap on logout, confirm your logout, and re-log it into your account, and you should be able to solve your issue. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to solve your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.